Came across a PPO file associated with a PowerPoint presentation and it won't open on its own? This is a supplementary presentation component from Microsoft's slide software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what PowerPoint packed objects are and how to handle them. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the PPO error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. PPO files are packed object files associated with Microsoft PowerPoint, containing embedded or linked presentation objects such as OLE objects, charts, media clips, and supplementary data elements. They serve as companion files to PowerPoint presentations, storing content that extends beyond the main PPTX slide deck file structure. PPO files are packed object files associated with Microsoft PowerPoint, containing embedded or linked presentation objects such as OLE objects, charts, media clips, and supplementary data elements. They serve as companion files to PowerPoint presentations, storing content that extends beyond the main PPTX slide deck file structure. The developer of Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Corporation, created the original specifications for PPO. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows identifies the file type, but not the internal content, which must be opened in the right software. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the PPO file and choose Open With. If Microsoft PowerPoint is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your PPO file will not open, do not worry. Errors with the PPO format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, opening with PowerPoint. Ensure the PPO file is in the same directory as its associated PowerPoint presentation file. Open the main PPTX or PPT file in Microsoft PowerPoint, and the application loads the PPO packed objects automatically. The embedded objects charts and media clips render correctly within their host slides when all companion files are present together. Next, checking file association. If the PPO file appears orphaned without a matching presentation, try opening it directly in PowerPoint using File, then Open with all files selected. PowerPoint may recognize the packed object format and display the embedded content. If this fails, the PPO file likely requires its parent presentation file to function correctly. Finally, recovering embedded content. If you need to extract content from the PPO file independently, try opening it with a compound document viewer or rename it to zip and attempt extraction. Use a hex editor to identify embedded content types such as images, charts, or OLE objects. Extract recognizable data segments and open them in appropriate applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.